Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. It's Sunday, there's only one charity shop open where I go, which is the PDSA, and they've got this little Volkswagen. Is this a camper van or a panel van? Panel van, I suppose. Hasn't got windows in the back. It's branded Paladone, first for fun. Why did I buy it? Oh, there's actually some power in the batteries there, the LED's on. Yes, why did I buy it when I already have two more of them? I bought it because I couldn't resist it. 99p, radio controlled car, going to be handy for the receiver, electric motor, it's got steering, this one looks like it's full of hair, and although that LED's coming on, yeah, they tried to move, didn't they? Oh, yeah, you can see the LED's going dim as soon as I press the buttons, so I'll change the batteries and see if it works. But this is really for donor parts for other toys. Do any of these work? I can't remember. One of these is 40 megahertz, I think it must be this one. Alright, that one works. How about this one? Ah, they must all be 27 then. I had an idea one was a 40. Never mind. I've even got one of the proper controllers. Oh yeah. So, I've got two workers and one that looks like it needs fresh batteries. Right, 3 AAA batteries we need. I do need to take it apart and get the hair out, but we'll just see if it runs with 3 fresh batteries. Oh yeah. Has it got reversing lights? Oh yeah. So it's got lights forwards and backwards, and it works. And it looks like they've lost the screw that goes in there. I'll just have a look, see if I've got a spare one. Well, it does work, only it doesn't seem very happy. I think we might have a broken gear or something. Oh yeah, that slipped right off, hadn't it? Well, gonna have to take it apart. So the steering's full of hair, but I reckon we've probably got some broken gears at the back there. Oh yes, I can see the teeth missing. As a camera will pick that up. Tooth missing just there. So it looks like this one's going to be the donor item for spare parts. So we've got a good motor and some good gears and a fair bit of hair. Yeah, I'll put it back together, but it'll be spare parts only. Handy receiver with LEDs, front and back LEDs, so that's all handy, but we'd need to replace that gear if we actually want to do anything with it. Oh, that tooth's missing as well. So a broken tooth there, broken tooth there, broken tooth there. That crown gear looks okay though. Yep, spare parts.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.